Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Anybody tell me? Yeah. In a previous classes, what I am telling, before we are starting installation, up to now installation, I'm not telling only. Tomorrow, maybe I'm telling you installation. But installation process side, one of the stage, enterprise edition, these type of names, I want only. Okay. That's why what I'm telling, blindly I'm telling a what? Yes, yeah. In a previous classes, I'm telling a one thing only. Oh, maybe if you want to interact with the what Oracle server, then two-step process is there. One is connect, another one is communication. I'm telling in that connect process, in this connect process. So now here yes, SQL plus tool only, and communication process side. So now communication process side, always we are using now here SQL and PlSql languages. SQL PlSql languages. Now here observe it here. Step one here connect, I'm telling only in that connect step only. Now here in this connect step only. So now here I'm using a what here SQL plus tool, one of the tool I'm telling default tool only. But so now here yes, that tool through now here yes, two editions I'm telling. One is express edition. So now here another one is enterprise edition only. In these two editions, so now here yes, default username is default. Now here yes, in these two editions, so now here in two, by default username is system and password is installation time given password. Okay, up to that one we are discussing only. In express edition is a free software in a olden days, but enterprise edition is a cost based only. Okay, Oracle Corporation giving. But unfortunately, in express edition, so now here always system or sys is a default user, and also predefined tables are not available. I'm telling again, better to load about enterprise edition. In this enterprise edition also nowadays free trial software Oracle Corporation giving only. What is the advantage of the enterprise edition? Means in enterprise edition extra users are available, Scott and HR users are there. In that Scott user only predefined tables are available, EMP, DEPT, sal grade, bonus. Up to this one we are discussing about in a previous class. Okay, yeah. Anybody not attending your previous classes, don't worry. Up to now installation, anything I'm not starting only. Just a small things I'm telling only. That's why in a video classes you are observing me is enough. That's why again I'm repeating only. Okay, yes, here. Now here, now concentrate. Actually, before we are installing a what Oracle software, just some environment settings I'm telling, that is better. Then we are starting a what installation. Then after installation, all the things understandable. Newcomers, don't worry. Some newcomers are coming today. That's why again repeating only. Okay? Yeah. Now, next, okay, observe it here. Suppose I'm installing a what enterprise edition like this. Okay, fine. Okay, in a previous classes, PLSQL side, we are writing the program. So don't worry. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Check it out here. I want to know which user I'm running only. Okay, I want to view which user I'm running means show space user is a command is there. A semicolon. Every statement ends with a semicolon in a Oracle side. Just I'm typing this one automatically. User is Scott. It will display or not? Yes, here. Which user you are connected to this server? That username I want to view means So now show space user is a command is there. Suppose I'm opening SQL plus tool. How can I open? What is that one? Next class side installation after. I will tell you, don't worry. Here, my name is Murali only. I'm creating a one user in another classes side. Now here, just I'm connected to the where server. Yes, connected to Oracle database, Enterprise Edition. Just we are using a what? A show space user. I'm typing only. Whenever show space user means automatically Murali, it will display only. Okay. Murali, it will display. Now here, observe it here. Which user is connected to the server? That user I want to view means to view current user connect to the server means show space user. Okay, some commanding knowledge is required only. Some SQL plus commands are required. That's why I'm telling only before installation. Write it. To view current user, up to this one previous class we are learning. Okay. To view current user, write it. To view current user. Write it to view current user. Syntax, write it. Go to SQL prompt, show space user, semicolon. Easily understandable, don't worry. To view current user, write it. Syntax, go to SQL prompt, show space user, semicolon. One of the extra user is there, no? Yeah. Daily we are connecting. Example, write it. Show space user, semicolon, user is Scott. Okay, SQL plus tool, some environment problem is there that today we are rectifying only. Then we are starting installation. Completed? Yeah. Now screen observe it. Suppose, okay, you are connecting some user and all these things. Suppose here I am writing the programs, okay, in another class side, otherwise in my project side, I am writing the programs. I want to clear the screen. So now I want to clear the screen means simple, same like a C language only, CLR, SCR, something is there, no? But here also, I want to clear the screen means here, CL space SCR, we are typing only semicolon, then automatically clear the screen. Possible or not? Yes. Suppose here daily we are writing the what programs. You want to clear the screen means CL space SCR semicolon, we are typing means automatically it will be clear the screen only. That is also write it. Because once installing means you are trying so many things. Write it to clear screen. Small commands to clear screen. Write it. Go to SQL prompt. CL space SCR semicolon. CL space SCR semicolon. Okay, now suppose here I want to view in that user side. Okay, suppose Murali user side, which tables are available. Okay, so now they are creating daily some tables. So now which tables are available? They want to view means just some command is there in a future SQL language we are learning. No, in that language, some select statement is there in that one. Tab is a command is there. Tab is a okay, so now dumb data dictionary I will tell you, but that is you don't have an idea in this class. Tab some keyword is there, semicolon, then automatically list of all the tables it is doing only. Suppose here this is a user is there, show space user is there. In this Scott user, which tables are available? All the tables available tables means I want to view means select a star from tab is a keyword is there. Just we are typing like this only. And now semicolon, yes, automatically list of tables, it will be displayed. Okay, this all daily, I in my classes, I'm creating a water tables. So now here a predefined tables also available. I'm telling you, EMP, DEPT, bonus, sal grade, some tables are available. No? So now here in a Scott user extra tables, I'm telling you, those all tables also it will be showing only. Suppose why I'm telling like this means, suppose another user is there, for example, here Murali user is there. In this Murali user, which tables are available I want to view means select a star from tab in the particular user tables. Just here, or maybe some table is available. Okay, so now here all the tables are not available like that one. Write it. To view, write it side heading. To view all tables of a particular user, semicolon is mandatory. Okay. Yeah. Okay, first practice it, semicolon, because PLSql set semicolon not required, SQL set required. To view all tables of a particular user, to view all tables of a particular user, syntax, go to SQL prompt, select star from tab, semicolon. To view all tables of a particular user, syntax, select star from tab, semicolon. Now example, write it. Just select star from tab, semicolon, write it here, EMP, DEPT, sal grade, bonus. Okay, these are predefined tables in a Scott user, okay, extra user side. Now observe it here. A particular table I want to view, this table information I want to view means select star from table name is there. Write it. To view particular table, write it this one. These are small commands. In a future, very easy, these are all the things. To view particular table, side heading, to view particular table. To view particular table. Syntax, write it. Go to SQL prompt, select a star from table name, semicolon. What is star also we are learning in a future on our course side. First blindly write it something. To view particular table. Syntax, go to SQL prompt, select a star from table name, semicolon. Completed. Now, okay, up to this one small knowledge enough. Now observe it here. Very interesting. Why blindly I'm telling you what these commands means? Reason is there. Some problem is there. Whenever you are starting in a previous class, two-step process, whenever we are interacting with the Oracle server, one is what connect step. In that connect step, SQL plus tool I am telling only. This is a default tool only, but in this default tool, environment problem is there. Those problems we are rectifying today. Environment settings are required before we are starting our course. That's why these type of commands blindly I am telling. Now check it out. Based on this knowledge, concentrate here, concentrate. Suppose here. Now I'm exit only. And now here, yes. Just I'm exit from the database. Okay, fine. First observe it here. Tomorrow we are installation process based only. All the things understandable. Exit. Okay. Now concentrate. Okay. Here very interesting. Now onwards observe it here. Suppose I'm installing a Oracle software. I'm opening a what? SQL plus tool, automatical SQL plus tool is created. Tomorrow you are checking. Okay, don't worry. Now here in this one extra user, Scott is a user. I'm typing only, for example. So now here password, installation time given password. Okay, fine. Now here, this is an enterprise edition. Already I'm telling. Now I want to view user means show space user. Current user is Scott user, extra user, this one. Default user is system user. Already I'm telling in a previous class. Now in this user, so many tables are there. Particular table I want to view means select star from table name. Okay. Suppose DEPT is a small table is there. That small tables we are displaying means there is no problem. Here DEPT is a department table. Oracle provided practice purpose. This is a small table. Just here I am typing a what small table. There is no problem. A table format only it will display. Okay, fine. You are also creating these tables in a future. Don't worry. These type of tables. But what is the problem with the what SQL plus tool means? A big tables you are trying to display means it does not display properly. There is a problem. Now here check it out. I'm typing a what EMP table is a big table. Just I'm typing select a star from EMP is a table. Now semicolon. Whenever I'm typing a what EMP is a employee table is a big table Oracle Corporation giving maybe practice purpose. And now just I'm typing the table, but unfortunately it does not display properly. You are observing or not? What is this one? Here so many gaps are generated. What is this one? These are gaps are generated. It does not display properly. Does not display properly means all the data we are viewing is difficult. Now that's why first environment is good means then visibility is more clear. Then automatically in a process also we are using only. But what is the problem? SQL plus tool is a environment settings problems only. They are giving like that. Toad is a tool, SQL developer is a tool. Already we are discussing only some names only. Those tools never gives any problems. But SQL plus default tool is a problem. Now environment settings problem. What they are telling a Oracle Corporation. Observe it here. Screen observe. Why these gaps are generated means they are telling me is this is a line is there. Okay, so now this a line is there. No? Yes. Each line having a what a maximum 80 bytes. Maximum 80 bytes in SQL plus tool. Each line having a maximum 80 bytes. Okay, including a what spaces also counting only. 80 bytes means 80 characters like that. Space also counting. But whenever our table in a line, at least one line having a maximum 80 bytes means more than 80 bytes. More than 80 bytes, our table one line is there, then automatically the next columns are immediately displayed in a where in a next line only. That is a problem. That's why department number is displayed in a next line. That's why these gaps are generated. They're telling only. Really, that is correct. Yes, you want to view environment settings means show space all is a command. Don't write it. Just I'm typing like this here. So many commands are there. Predefined SQL plus tool commands. This one. In that one, line size or line command is there. For example, observe it here. Here 80 default value is there. Maximum 80 bytes only in each and every line. At least one line having a what more than 80 bytes maybe. Now here in a horizontally in your table line more than 80 bytes means automatically remaining columns are displayed in a next line only. That's why here these gaps are generated. To overcome this problem, you are setting an environment. How can I set an environment means set is a command is there is a SQL plus tool command. Set a time on means okay we are viewing a what current time. Observe it here. Yes, current time 5:33 33 minutes and 2 seconds 3 seconds like this. I want to off the time means set a space a time off like this only. Some SQL plus tool commands are there, not a SQL language command, SQL plus tool commands. Same like here I want to set the what a line size command means then automatically properly displayed. That is the way Oracle Corporation telling set line or line size more than 80, 100 I'm giving, or 200 I'm giving, anything also 1000 I'm giving, semicolon, then automatically I'm typing a what that table have properly displayed or not, check it out. Yes, compared to previous case, now it will display properly or not. Yes, here. But again, another problem is there. Just at least a table format only, big tables also, it is displayed in SQL plus tool or not. That's why, what is the problem in SQL plus tool? Every line having a maximum 80 bytes. In our table, having at least one line having a more than 80 bytes means automatically next columns are displayed in the next line. That's why in that case, the table is properly not displayed. Whenever table is properly not displayed means that interacting with the what user is not flexible only. That's why just environment is also good means then automatically you are also, I am also understandable. This data is there here. This a problem is there, easily understandable. That's why just environment setting is better option. Yes, compared to where yes using a what explicit tools only. These are default tools, some problems only. Now here how we are setting environment means set is a command is there. Then a line size or line is a command. Any number we are giving means automatically it will be setting a what environment. This is write it only first. Example, write it. Select star from EMP, semicolon, write it. Example, these settings very easy later, but first write it. Select star from EMP, semicolon. Okay, this nodes, write it nodes only because up to some stage. In SQL plus tool, okay, everyone write it. Example, select star from EMP, semicolon. This is a problem now. Write it. In SQL plus tool, not another tool, okay. In SQL plus tool, by default, in SQL plus tool, by default, each line having in SQL plus tool, by default, each line having maximum 80 bytes. In SQL plus tool, by default, each line having maximum 80 bytes. In SQL plus tool, by default, each line having maximum 80 bytes. In our table, any line having any line having more than 80 bytes. In our table, any line having more than 80 bytes, then the table does not display properly. In our table, any line means horizontal, any line having more than 80 bytes, then the table does not display properly. To overcome this problem, then we must set, to overcome this problem, then we must set, to overcome this problem, then we must set line size. To overcome this problem, then we must set line size SQL plus environment variable. Then we must set line size SQL plus environment variable. SQL plus means SQL plus tool, okay. To overcome this problem, then we must set, write it, theory, write it. Then we must set line size SQL plus environment variable by using following syntax. To overcome this problem, then we must set line size SQL plus environment variable by using following syntax. Syntax, write it. Set line size in a number, semicolon. set line size any number, or set line any number semicolon, or set line any number. Or set line any number. Example, write it. Set space line size space any number semicolon, or set line any number semicolon. Actually, this is SQL plus tool commands, not SQL language commands. Okay, yeah. Environment settings only. Because tomorrow we are installing a what software means, then you are trying these all the things. Write it, set a line in a number. I am giving the 100 because it is there more than 80. Then you have to type it, your table, select star from EMP, predefined table. Completed. And now last settings only. And now check it out. Screen observe it. Suppose okay, I am writing like this only here, but unfortunately here another problem is there. You are observing or not? Here this is a big table. Oracle Corporation giving predefined table. Now here employee number is a maybe column name. These are called columns only. Here these are data only in a blue line. These are data. Okay, fine. Here column name is there. In that column some data is there. Okay, fine. Now again this column name is repeated. You are observing or not? What is this one? Again some data is there. What is this one? I'm not understandable. Now check it out. Here e name is a column. Again some data is there. Again this column name is repeated. Why this is occurred means SQL plus tool is a problem, environment problem. So now here another tools means there is no problems. This tool only problem. Now check it out. What they are telling a Oracle Corporation means, observe it here, concentrate here. Whenever SQL plus tool we are using means, here this is called page. Each page having a what? Maximum 14 rows they are telling. Page size is a what? Maximum 14 rows. They are giving default setting in a SQL plus tool. Suppose in our table having a what? More than 14 rows, maybe including column names and underlines, all the things only. More than 14 lines are there, that will be treated as a new page. That's why maybe column names are repeated. They're telling only. Whenever we are using SQL plus tool, each page having a maximum how many rows they are giving? 14 rows by default. Default they are giving only, including headings also. Okay, including lines also. Suppose here more than 14 is there, it will be treated as a what? A new page only. That's why again column names are repeated. To overcome this problem, if I want to display properly this table means, just we are setting an environment by using a what? A set is a command. Here page size is a predefined command is there, environment variable. Just this command here, suppose 1000 lines you want in each page. Yes, your own wish. Yes, 500 lines you want only in each page, your own wish. And now suppose here I am giving a 50 only because our tables are small tables. Now I am giving a what? A select here, select a star from what is the table name is there here, just EMP. Yes, now this table also properly displayed same like other tools or not. Yes, now here simple. Oh, maybe some environment problem is there in SQL plus tool. Just we are setting the environment, then automatically same like other tools, very properly it will display the what environment. Simple. And now you write it, some theory write it. Write it. In SQL plus tool, write it in SQL plus tool. This is a tool in SQL plus tool by default. Write it in SQL plus tool by default. Each page having maximum 14 rows. They are giving like that. Okay. In SQL plus tool, in SQL plus tool by default, each page having maximum 14 rows. In SQL plus tool by default, each page having maximum 14 rows. In SQL plus tool by default, each page having maximum 14 rows. Whenever our table having more than 14 lines, whenever our table having more than 14 lines, whenever our table having more than 14 lines, then automatically, whenever our table having more than 14 lines, then automatically column names are repeated in a table. Whenever our table having more than 14 lines, then automatically column names are repeated in a table. Whenever our table having more than 14 lines, then automatically column names are repeated in a table. To overcome this problem, then we must set, to overcome this problem, then we must set SQL plus tool. To overcome this problem, then we must set SQL plus tool page size environment variable. To overcome this problem, then we must set SQL plus tool page size environment variable by using following syntax. To overcome this problem, then we must set SQL plus tool page size environment variable by using following syntax. Write it syntax, go to SQL prompt, set page size in a number semicolon. Singh, you are asking only Murali sir, how we are doing all the commands, SQL plus commands, they are asking. Yes, I will tell you, don't worry. Now I will tell you. Finished this one, set page size in a number semicolon. These are very easy, okay, don't worry. Just idea purpose. Completed. Now I am giving a what? Set page size 50 semicolon. Select star from EMP semicolon. Now 18C onwards window command is there. These are all the things you don't know, also not a problem. 18C software is there, no? 18C, 19C, 21C latest. Write it, set page size 50. Okay, I am giving 50. You are giving anything else, semicolon. More than 14, I am giving. Select star from EMP semicolon. Okay, then automatically displayed a what properly or not? Yes. Oh, big table also properly displayed. Properly displayed first means, oh, then only we are operating a what data very easy way. Okay, by using SQL. Completed. But unfortunately, these are olden days concepts. But 18C software is there. In that one, line size command is there. No, in that one, window is a command we are using means automatically, server is take care of, sorry, SQL plus tool take care of all the things only. Yes, you are not bothering about the what, this page size. Okay, so now here, these all the things. Just observe it here. Suppose my software is 19C software. Concentrate here. 18C software onwards, just new things are there. Okay, fine. Observe it here. I am telling you what 11G, 12C, okay, so now these olden days 10G, 9A, okay, these type of software and those comments I'm telling. But nowadays, this is a 19C software. Observe it here, 19C software. In this 19C, 18C onwards, 18C onwards, just here, suppose here, anything not displayed properly means don't afraid. Suppose here, select a star from EMP, I'm typing, not displayed, don't worry. Just we are typing a what, a set line size is a predefined command. Here window is a command is there. This command through automatically server is take care all the things. Select star from EMP. Finished. How much easy? Just here window is a command is there. Dynamically, automatically setting an environment. Server is take care. Developer does not bother about page size. These are all the things only. Set line size window is a command is there. Latest command only. Then automatically setting an environment. Write it. This is also better to know because you are a latest programmer means latest commands also better to know. Now here write it. Write a note. Fastly write it. Write a note. Oracle 18C introduced. These are very easy. Write it fastly. Oracle 18C introduced window option. I will show you how can I view all the commands. Oracle 18C introduced window option. Window option along with set line size command. Oracle 18C introduced window option along with set line size command. Fastly write it. Syntax write it. Set line size window semicolon. Set line size window semicolon. Write it. Some theory write it fastly. This command dynamically change. This command dynamically change and format the displayed output. This command dynamically change and format the displayed output. Format the displayed output to fit the screen or window size. To fit the screen or window size. This command dynamically change and format the displayed output to fit the screen or window size. This command dynamically change and format the displayed output to fit the screen or window size. This command dynamically change and format the displayed output to fit the screen or window size. Okay. Write another note, write it. When we are using this command, then we are not required to use page size command. Write a note. When we are using this command, then we are not required to use page size command. When we are using this command, then we are not required to use page size command. Okay, na? And now concentrate here. Suppose one fellow is asking Murali, sir, how can I know? So now which commands are available, which default values are available? How can I view all the commands in SQL plus tool commands? I want to view means just we are typing a what show space all is a command. Nothing is there. These are commands, simple. That's the easiest language. Show space all. One time we are typing means enough. Easily remembering. Now observe here, all the commands it will display or not? Yes, here. This SQL plus tool command, not SQL log based command. Okay, write it. Write a note. If you want to view, these are very easy. Okay. If you want to view all predefined SQL plus tool environment commands, write a note. If you want to view all predefined SQL plus tool environment commands and related default values, then we are using following syntax. If you want to view all predefined SQL plus tool environment commands and related default values, then we are using following syntax. Syntax show space all semicolon. If you want to view all predefined SQL plus tool environment commands and related default values, then we are using following syntax. If you want to view all predefined SQL plus tool environment commands and related default values, then we are using following syntax. Write it syntax show space all semicolon. Okay, up to this one is enough. Just SQL plus tool environment settings, generalized environment settings. I am telling today small thing. Based on this knowledge, tomorrow we are starting about installation of the Oracle software. Okay, very easiest way installing only. Then automatically I am telling about environment settings. Already already know. Yes, based on this knowledge only, just here we are changing about colors and all these things. This one also I will tell you. Don't worry. Then users all the things understandable. Then we are starting a communication SQL language through everyone understandable. Up to this one is enough. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. One fellow is asking Murali sir, what is the default username and password in a Oracle 19c? Means system is a default username and installation time given password is a what? Password only. Tomorrow, so now we are installation time, we are giving a password. No? Yes, I will tell you. Already I am telling only, but anybody not attending previous classes, just here performance tuning is not there. Okay, yeah. Concepts are there, but unfortunately we are not. Okay, yeah. Okay, now tomorrow I will tell you. Thank you. One fellow is asking, Murali sir, these commands are working in a where Toad tool? No. Actually, this is not a SQL developer Toad or PlSql developer tool. This is SQL plus tool settings. Okay, yeah, very good. SQL developer under Toad, SQL navigator, these tool side settings are not required. Just next class side we are learning SQL language. No, that is enough. Very good. Tomorrow I will tell you everybody. Thank you.